can always see the night.
Hey yo, what's good? We back in the studio today, like I said, talking about the Thrasher collaboration. Honestly, it's better than what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be solid, to be honest, from some of the leaks and rumors that we've seen. But honestly, it surprised me, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into it ASAP. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, slap a big ass like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel because it definitely means so much. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. I'm trying to pump out 4 to 5 videos a week, so make sure you go ahead and do that, and follow nori.archives on Instagram. I've been posting like crazy, just some sick ass pictures. I might do like a weekly drop list as one of the pictures. If you guys would be interested in that, that's a faster way to see what I think of a drop, or just see some sick ass pictures, to be honest. Go on nori.archives. Y'all seeing the vibes. It's pretty lit. But let's go ahead and get into this video. First, we got a care package from the homies over at Grassy Clothing New York. Shout out to them for sending over this care package. Honestly, I thought their pieces were pretty sick, so when the homie wanted to go ahead and show his shit off on my channel, hey, why not? Make sure you go ahead and check them out. They actually have a sick drop coming. I'm gonna open these up for y'all real quick. Right here we got the World Is Yours shorts with the Scarface logo right there. You got the World Is Yours on the other side of the pants. It's blank on the back. These are clean though. It's just a nice looking pair of pants, you feel me? Definitely solid, and it doesn't feel like some cheap ass material. You do have the draw cord on the inside, got that Scarface. The World Is Yours. And my favorite piece honestly has to be the tee. This is fire. Tee goes crazy. Like, this is actually hard. Grassy branding, size XL. This is solid. Let me know what you guys have to say about this one. This is a fire ass piece, and the quality is actually not bad. I'm not gonna lie. This is a pretty sick ass shirt. Make your own conclusion. I think this is fire. Make sure you go ahead and check them out. They'll be linked in the description if you guys are interested. They got a bunch of shit coming out. But let's go ahead and get into the drop list. So we got the Supreme Thrasher Skyline Tee. This is actually a banger. I love the way that they implemented the Skyline under the Thrasher branding. It comes in 7 different colorways. This one in that black color is fire. The green one is hard too. We honestly do got some clean colorways in here. The white with the blue is honestly looking solid. Yeah, the gray is probably my favorite, that ash gray. The Skyline Tee is clean. Next up, we do got the Game Tee, which basically does come in the same 7 colorways if I'm not mistaken. This is from like an old skateboarding game that literally had the branding in it. I think it's so sick, and the Supreme branding is just natural on this. I really love what they're doing with this collab. They honestly been killing it with the collab 2 weeks in a row, honestly surprising me, because this is solid. Like, it doesn't look lazy. This is like OG skate type shit, you know what I'm saying? You do got the Thrasher on the back with the Supreme right under it. Definitely a solid piece. Once again, if I could get my hands on at least one of these tees, I think I will. One of my favorite pieces, honestly, I never really buy like crew necks and shit like that. Y'all know me. This crew neck right here is hard body, bro. Like, don't play with this crew neck. Definitely solid. I love the knit feeling on this. I might have to pick this up, I'm not gonna lie. This is hard, low-key hard. Definitely in this black color. Yeah, probably only the black color, to be honest. I love the way that the red pops on it. I just love the way red goes on black. Like, it just goes crazy. Definitely a solid piece. Let me know what y'all have to say about that one. Those 3 at the top are bangers off the rip. Like, you got the Thrasher hooded sweatshirt, which is gonna come in 5 colorways. This one is honestly solid again, bro. One of those images from the skateboarding game. You got the Supreme branding in red, and it does look clean. The Supreme Thrasher on the back, it's just an all-over solid hoodie. Can't go wrong with it. As far as colorways go, I'd probably go black, blue, or green on this one. I feel like the gray one isn't bad as well. Honestly, the only one that I'm not really fucking with is the pink one. That fuchsia gotta go, my brother. So on the back of this one, you do have the Supreme Thrasher branding, and honestly, on this pink colorway, I wouldn't really go for it. I feel like the green, the blue, and the black are the hardest ones. You could also not go wrong with the gray. It's a pretty solid piece, and I feel like this whole collaboration is fire. The shorts are crazy as well, dude. The shorts are so clean. I love the way that they stack the stickers on it. Honestly, these look fire. I'm not gonna lie. These go hard in that black colorway. I love the way that the stickers just pop out on that one leg. It looks like it's supposed to be there. Sometimes Supreme does collaborations where it looks like it's forced. This looks like it belongs there type shit. And I do love the colors they did for these shorts. Kept it real player with the navy, the orange, the gray, and then the black. I would honestly go for either one of these colors. They're simple, but they have their branding on it type shit. Let me know what you guys have to say about those. This stacked logo long sleeve comes in 7 different colorways. I like the forest green one, the pink one, then that washed navy is definitely clean as well. Personally, I'd probably skip on the long sleeve. I just feel like the tees all the way at the top, the game tee and the other one have more to offer. The Skyline one is clean and the game tee is just fire in my opinion. I definitely do love this one right here, and that blue color just stands out. It pops, so I definitely love that. But we got a couple more pieces in the collaboration, one of them being these Thrasher Denim in this black color, and we also have it in this blue denim color, almost like a vintagey feeling. As you can see by these, they look a little bit more tapered than the traditional Supreme jeans slight bars. Honestly, I'd probably skip on these shits. It has like a pentagram at the bottom. You feel me? Like, that's not my vibe. So we're gonna go ahead and keep going down. We got like a couple more pieces if I'm not mistaken. One of them being the multi-logo zip-up hoodie. This one comes in 4 different colorways, just like the shorts. And I feel like honestly, both of them are solid. This reminds me of like one of those vintage like Champion from the 90s type zip-ups. You know what I'm saying? That's what this reminds me of. And I just feel like that's what's in right now. I do love the way that it looks in that black and that navy. Definitely solid. You can't go wrong with that gray neither. And the last thing from the collab is the Thrasher 6 panel. Literally has pentagrams all over this bitch, so I'm not really gonna even talk about it no further. Like, that shit was ass. But the first tees all the way at the top go hard. The game tee, the Skyline tee, that crew neck goes crazy. The hoodies go hard. Honestly, I feel like this is another collab where people are gonna sleep on it. Down the line, this shit's gonna be worth something. It's Thrasher, so it's rooted in skateboarding. So I feel like Supreme and Thrasher actually doing something that's thought out in a way. It has original skateboard game pictures on the actual tee, so it has more resemblance to skating. I feel like this is gonna be worth something. Let me know what you guys think down below. Rate this collaboration 1 out of 10. Honestly, I would say this one is like a 8.3, 8.5. The Crow was honestly like a 9.3 in my opinion. I feel like they killed that one. This one, they kind of killed it too. I'm gonna say an 8.5 on this one. But let me know what y'all have to say in the comments. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe, because that's what we're here for, bro. If you keep coming back to the channel and you're not subscribed, does not make sense. Go ahead and follow me on nori.archives for more heat. I'm gonna put the Instagram right here. We gonna go up, but at the end of the day, do you want to go up? I'm gonna go ahead and post drop list on there as well. It's just gonna be one of the pictures weekly. I'll show you guys when it comes out. I'll just repost it on the Instagram, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. But without any further ado, I'm gonna check y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one.